Hi, today I am going to take you on a little tour of the Ritz-Carlton in Abu Dhabi. I just checked in, I'm so tired. I had a red-eye flight from London. It's about 10 AM here now and I'm so exhausted, I've had no sleep. So excuse the tired bags and the no makeup look. But anyway, I'm in a deluxe room, which is like the low-level basic room. With a balcony that overlooks the mosque and the gardens. So yeah, so I'm gonna just take you around the room and show you what it's like. So this is the entranceway, and then here on the left you have the bathroom. You've got a separate shower area and a separate toilet area. And then here you have the his and hers sinks. Hey. You also have possibly the most luxurious bathrobes I have ever seen in all of my luxury hotel stays. Like, they're just beautiful. Look at the design. They're so pretty. And then here you have a bath. It's a really lovely deep bath. And obviously if you're here by yourself like me, you can keep the windows open and look out onto the gardens, although you can't really see it from the bath. But obviously if you're here with someone, then these privacy screens close, and the same on the other side. And then you've got plenty of towels. And then they have Asprey toiletries. And then if we go back around here, in here we have the wardrobe. So you've got an extra pillow, an iron, plenty of hangers, another bathrobe, an ironing board, etc. and even some weighing scales. So everything you could need. And then this is the room itself. I'm actually quite surprised by how big it is, considering it's just a basic room. But huge king-size bed. And then here we have the large television, coffee making, water. So with the minibar, these are all free, these are complimentary. And then in here you have the proper minibar, which you pay for. Oh, whoops. So that's these types of things. And then the alcoholic beverages. And then there's some wine. And then there's also, sorry, excuse my battered case, there's also a hairdryer. And then if we go over here, you've got a nice little desk for if you need to get some work done. Comfy chair for lounging around. And out here, we've got this little seating area. Here's the garden. As with most Middle Eastern hotels, you will always see an expanse of nothingness where they have yet to build something. But if we crane our necks around here, you can just see the canal, and then straight there is the mosque. So that's a nice view. And also with the mosque, they do provide a complimentary shuttle to the mosque twice a day. Excuse me. So that's handy to have. And then, excuse me. And then it's quite noisy outside, but you've got these doors that close and block out all possible sound. So yeah, and then you've got big curtains, obviously. So yeah, here is a sweeping view of the room. So this is a deluxe balcony room at the Ritz-Carlton in Abu Dhabi. And then you can see the bathroom just through there. But yeah, anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this little room tour. Quite a quick one, because it's just a, you know, small room. But it's really nice. Also, the downstairs of this hotel is stunning. The lobby is insane. I'll take you down there in a little bit and show you, because oh my gosh, the ceiling is like silver. It's insane. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, anyway, until then, bye.